Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube once again. I want to talk about how we can separate variables for partial differential equations. Feel free to join, relax. Remember to subscribe. So far, I like to appreciate my 50 subscribers. You are a great team. Okay, to my question, we want to solve partial y over partial t is equals to ky. So this is a differential equation of the first order. So for us to start, I'll start by separating the y and y together and the constant k and t on the other end. So I'll start by dividing by this y to this. So partial y, if I divide this by y and this side by y, then I'll have partial y over y, and then take this dt on the other side by multiplying by partial t. I'm going to have k dt. Nice. I've separated the t and y together. So this equation, dy over y, can also be written as 1 over y dy is equals to k dt. At this stage, to remove the derivatives, I'll have to introduce integral. I'll introduce integrals on both sides, and the type of integrals are infinite or definite integral. So if you integrate 1 over y with respect to y, I'm going to have the natural log of y on this end, but on the other side, remember k is a constant. Differentiating or integrating k with respect to t, I'm going to have kt plus some given constant. You can call that equation 1. Nice. I need to eliminate this natural log. I will introduce the exponential on both sides of my equation. So it will be exponential. Remember, I want to eliminate this natural log. So exponential of natural log of y is equals to exponential of k of t plus a constant. Well, we are doing well. At this stage, I've introduced the exponential, and on my right hand side, this right hand side, I have exponential of kt plus c. So this is a form of the powers being added. So this can be written as exponential kt multiplied by exponential c, the rule of indices. If you're adding the powers, then the bases were multiplied. k. So writing this in form of this, I'm going to have, remember, if you introduce exponential, then the natural log, exponential over a natural log is the same as that number. Exponential of a natural log is that number. So exponential of natural log of y is that, is equals to exponential of kt multiplied by exponential of power c. Remember, my c is a constant. My c is a constant. Next, this equation can also be written as under 1 exponential, because exponential to power constant, this goes without saying that I'm going to have a constant. If you have an exponential to a given constant, remember this is a variable. So finally, I'm going to have y now becomes, remember this is a constant, this goes to be a c, exponential kt. Well, I'm happy you have come to the end of solution to our ODE, ordinary differential equation, reason, which we have solved accurately using method of separation of variables. I hope you've enjoyed. Watch my next episode. I'll be talking about how to solve simple ODE. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.